Greetings candidates and welcome back to the lesson. The subject is Meetings, Compliance and Administration, August 2022. Today we are going to answer question number 4. Part A reads, appraise 5 roles of stockbrokers in securities markets, 5 marks. 5 roles of stockbrokers in securities markets. Now we are going to discuss 5 roles. The first one is execution of trades. They facilitate execution of trades. That's number 1. Number 2 is in relation to market research and analysis. Number 3, investment advisory services. Number 4 is portfolio management. And lastly, number 5, the 5th role that stock brokers play in the securities market is compliance and regulatory guidance. Compliance and regulatory guidance. 5 roles. Roles of stockbrokers in securities markets. The first role I said is execution of trades. Execution of trades. Stockbrokers facilitate the buying and selling of securities on behalf of their clients. They execute trade on stock exchanges or other trading platforms, ensuring timely and accurate execution of orders. That is one role that stockbrokers play in securities markets. 2, market research and analysis. Market research and analysis. They provide market research and analysis to their clients. They study market trends. They analyze company financials and also make investment recommendations based on their expertise and knowledge of the securities markets. The third role is investment advisory services. They give investment advisory services. Stockbrokers offer investment advisory services, guiding their clients in making informed decisions. They provide insights on portfolio diversification, risk management, and investment strategies tailored to their clients' goals and what we call risk tolerance. Risk tolerance. 4, portfolio management. Portfolio management. Stockbrokers may offer portfolio management services where they actively manage clients' investment portfolios. They monitor market conditions, rebalance portfolios, and make investment decisions on behalf of their clients, ensuring alignment with their investment objectives. 5, compliance and regulatory guidance. Compliance and regulatory guidance. Stockbrokers ensure compliance with securities regulations, with the rules of the exchange. They may also help clients navigate the legal and regulatory framework, ensuring that transactions and investment meet the required standards and comply with applicable laws and regulations. So these are 5 roles of stockbrokers in securities markets. 1, execution of trades. Number 2, market research and analysis. Number 3, investment advisory services. Number 4, portfolio management. And lastly, compliance and regulatory guidance. These are 5 roles, 5 marks. Part B of this question reads, explain 6 contents of an annual return made by the cooperative societies in your country. Contents of an annual return. Contents of an annual return made by cooperative societies. One is financial statements. Financial statements. Number 2 is the membership details. Number 3, summary of activities. Number 4, compliance with cooperative laws. Then we have what we call governance structure. We can even add the auditor's reports. The auditor's report may also be part of the annual return made by cooperative societies. Number 1, financial statements. Number 2, I've said membership details. Financial statements, membership details. We have summary of activities, could also be part of this report, this return, summary. Summary of the activities of the cooperative, compliance with cooperative laws, compliance with cooperative laws. The governance structure may be part of the return. Governance structure and auditors report or reports. Financial statements, you all know financial statements. The annual return includes financial statements of the cooperative society, including the balance sheet, the income statement, the cash flows, and so on. Such statements provide an overview of the society's financial performance and financial position. Number 2, membership details. The annual return includes information about the society's membership, including the number of members, their names, their addresses, shareholding, and also contributions. The annual return may also have a summary of activities, summary of the society's activities during the reporting period, and it may include details of the projects undertaken, the initiatives implemented, and achievements during that financial year. Compliance with cooperative societies. The annual return may also have details on the compliance with the society's compliance with cooperative rules. The return confirms the cooperative society's compliance with cooperative rules and regulations, and it demonstrates adherence to legal requirements, including filing of reports, maintenance of records, and also fulfillment of statutory obligations. Compliance with cooperative laws, because cooperative societies operate within a certain legal environment where they are required to comply with the rules in relation to cooperative societies. Then the annual return may also have a governance structure. The return includes information about the governance structure of the cooperative society, and that may include details of board of directors, management team, and any changes in leadership or composition of the society's governing body. Then lastly, we have the auditor's report. The return may include an auditor's report providing an independent assessment of the cooperative society's financial statements and the overall financial health. And the auditor's reports candidates adds credibility to the financial information presented in the annual return. So these are 6 contents. Candidates were to give 5, were to give 6. These are 6 contents: financial statements, membership details, summary of activities, compliance with cooperative societies, governance structure, and auditor's report. 6. These are 6 contents, but I see the examiner awarded 5 marks. The examiner awarded 5 marks for the 6 contents. Number 5C, assess 5 benefits of having a compliance strategy to an organization. Advantages or benefits of having a compliance strategy. Benefits of having a compliance strategy. The first benefit is compliance strategy helps in legal and regulatory compliance. The second benefit is that is in relation to risk mitigation. Number 3, a compliance strategy enhances reputation of the organization. Number 4, it improves operational efficiency. Number 5 is in relation to ethical standards and corporate culture. Ethical standards and corporate culture. Those are 5 benefits. 5 benefits. Benefits of having a compliance strategy. Legal and regulatory compliance is the first one. Legal and regulatory compliance. A compliance strategy helps organizations stay in line with applicable laws, regulations, and industry standards. It also ensures that the organization's operations, policies, and practices comply with legal requirements, reducing the risk of penalties, fines, and legal consequences. So a compliance strategy helps the company to comply with legal and regulatory requirements. Risk mitigation. Risk mitigation, number 2. Compliance strategy identifies and addresses potential risks and vulnerabilities within the organization. And by implementing measures to mitigate risks, such as maybe data protection or even financial integrity and environmental compliance, the organization protects itself from reputational damage and financial losses. So a compliance strategy will help in risk mitigation. Enhanced reputation. Enhanced reputation. A robust compliance strategy enhances the organization's reputation and instills trust among stakeholders. It demonstrates the organization's commitment to ethical conduct, transparency, accountability, which can attract investors, it can attract this reputation can attract customers and even business partners. So having a compliance strategy can enhance the reputation of an organization. Improved may lead to improved operational efficiency. Operational efficiency. Improved operational efficiency. Compliance strategy streamlines processes and establishes clear guidelines, leading to improved operational efficiency. It may also help eliminate redundant and non-compliant practices, which may reduce errors and also enhances the overall organizational effectiveness. 5. Ethical standards and corporate culture. Ethical standards and corporate culture. A compliance strategy promotes ethical behavior and fosters a culture of compliance within the organization. Why? Because it sets standards for ethical conduct, integrity, and responsible business practices, creating a positive work environment and aligning employees with the organization's values. And candidates, having a well-defined compliance strategy is crucial in today's complex regulatory environment. Why? Because it enables organizations to navigate the legal and operational challenges effectively, protecting stakeholders' interests. It may also help maintain sustainable growth. So these are 5 benefits of having a compliance strategy. 1, legal and regulatory compliance, risk mitigation, enhanced reputation, improved operational efficiency, and lastly, ethical standards and corporate culture. Ethical standards and corporate culture. These are 10 marks. 5 points, 10 marks. 5 points, 10 marks. So that will mark the end of the revision of that question. August 2022, question 4, meetings, compliance, and administration. We'll meet in our next session to answer question number 5. Bye-bye.